Hey y'all, Adrian here. Tune in to my IGTV to find out how to make this jacket your own. Okay guys, so making this jacket is really easy to do. First thing you need to do is take a trip to Hobby Lobby to get these items. Everything you will be buying from Hobby Lobby to create this jacket is an iron-on. These iron-ons are very easy to apply to denim jackets, jeans, t-shirts, whatever you plan to personalize and make your own. So for the front of my jacket, I chose these iron-ons. They are the number 7 and 8. I chose that number because I was born in 1978, so these numbers mean something to me, so that is why I chose those numbers. Alright, so next thing we have is the decoration that we are going to have either on the back of the jacket, the sleeve of the jacket, or the front of the jacket. You can, iron these on anywhere you want. I chose these two little small stars right here to put on the side of my sleeve. They are dainty and, kind of shiny and with rhinestones. They were $3.99, which is a great deal. And I know that Hobby Lobby every other week has a sale on items. So if you go at the right time, you can get them for $2. Instructions on how to apply these iron-ons are on the back of each package. Very easy to apply. I think I completed this jacket in about 10 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this IGTV, and make sure you send me pictures of your finished product. Take care.